Here everyone, it's painting time. As you could tell with the blue tape and all the splunches, all the crap on the walls there. Filling old nail holes and new nail holes and blemishes that are really bad on the plaster and just junk. Walk-in visit from Gloria. And to think this wall isn't even the worst wall. So if you go this way, that's not even the worst wall. This is starting to get into the worst wall. Go, Gloria, go. Come on, stop it. Gotta love it when a cat's in heat. That right there looked like a plasterer was wanting to get the job quickly done. Plus, this was wallpapered originally. It was wallpapered for probably all the way up until the 90s. Everyone just kept wallpapering over. It had like 9 layers, 7 to 9 layers of wallpaper on everything. Like, holy cow. Even on the ceiling, they had wallpaper on the ceilings. This is from 1904, I think, or 1900, around 1900 or 1904. The one before that was from 1894, which is interesting. And that has little specks of gold in it. In fact, if you get it in the light just right, it still shines. It's amazing. That hasn't got pulled off yet, but I can't talk right now. Anyway, I've been doing these repairs because we're gonna paint this red in here, and you'll see it when it's done. And I didn't want to repaint over the same pot marks from other screws and nails and everything else that's been put in the walls. And over the 130 years the house has been here. So, and also with plasterers knowing that there would be wallpaper in here, they probably skimped on the really defining their finish coat so to make it really nice and appealing. Which, you know, it is what it is. So you'd get little lines like this. See where it's like really thick and not so scratched out? There'd be vertical lines like this right there going up. You can see a little bit there too. There's like a big old hole there I gotta refill. Oh, maybe. No, it's covered. Okay, cool. Stuff like that. And then you had screw marks like that. That was a finish error where someone took a chunk out of it when they were removing the wallpaper. That's a screw mark. I did leave the dimple there because the wife wants to put something else there. So that's good. And then that was a trowel mark error. And then here, see, there's gashes here in the plaster. There's a gash there. This is a crack that isn't moved, so it's fine to fill in. Screw hole, plaster hack, screw hole, more plaster issues. I mean, they just got real sloppy in here. I know they could have done better. And like this one is just really bad. This one had all sorts of, I mean, it wasn't flat at all. It was like a washboard in there. It was so bad. Like they moved the trowel over like this, and then they stopped, and then picked up a little bit and just didn't keep going down in the corner to finish it off. So yeah, that's the extent. They say whenever you're doing a paint job, it's all prep. So this is all prep, and what I've been using is joint compound. I know some people are like, oh, joint compound. No, it's fine. It's fine for this sort of thing. And I used a nice putty knife. These things are so awesome. They're by that company. Came in like a 7-pack, and I got all sorts of different sizes, and they're the best. They have nice thick blades on them and everything. You can do whatever with those. In fact, I even scraped down the walls with those because you'd have these little things here that'd be like a pot mark here or a bump here for some reason. And then they'd just be all over the place in random spots on the wall, like something got in the roller when they painted it, and then they rolled it into the wall and didn't quite get it done. And it's all in your tape jobs. Getting it right up to the edge of the wood there and not on the plaster. The thing that helped me get those nice crisp lines and everything was the putty knife. Because I could take it in here, like if I start at the top, so I'd have my finger and follow the curve, then take my putty knife and go on there, then stick it up, and then pat it down with my finger, do the same thing here, stick it up, and then pat it down, and just follow that all the way down. That's how you get those nice curves on the tape. That one looks a little sloppy because you're going the curve. The whole top of the arch, you can't see it from here, is covered in tape. Because I do not want any paint on this arch. Got it all the way down in the corners using the putty knife. Just like this one. It's right down there in the corner. Plus this helped along this edge here. When they built the place, either this is shifted a little bit, or when they built the place they didn't really square up this side. But I think it's shifted because it looks like this post is leaning that way, and then this kind of moved its way this way somehow at some point. I know at some point I'm going to have to get behind the stairs in here, which is blocked off right now. It's where the toilet is in the bathroom. And I'll have to figure out what happened and fix it. But I will not be getting paint on any of the woodwork. Not gonna happen. Anyway, sorry if that was quick. If you want to rate, comment, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And the next step is, after all this dries, which the stuff on the walls dry really pretty quick, within half an hour. It's the stuff that's a little thicker that takes a while to dry. Like this down here. Someone destroyed the plaster right here in the corner. I had to build it back up a little bit to fit this piece in here so it looks nice. And I have it all the way in. Anyway, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks.